In this tutorial, I will show you how to create double exposure in Photoshop. So let's get started. We have to select our subject. For that, click on Select and then click on Subject to select the main image. Now from here, select Quick Selection Tool and then click on Select and Mask. Scroll down and click on New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK. Adjust your image properly. To insert your second image, simply drag and drop your image and adjust it accordingly. Now right-click on the top layer, then click on Create Clipping Mask. Change normal mood into screen mood. Create a mask on image by clicking on Mask icon. Pick soft rounded brush with black foreground color. And pick the places which you want to hide. Now by selecting background layer, click on this icon and select solid color. Pick any color that you like. And hit OK. Here it's done. To save your image, click on File and then click on Export. Your image is saved in your gallery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for